in today's video we're going to be looking at my next AMD Ryzen build. So I'm going to be starting with a Gigabyte 80 Plus PSU. This is a semi-modular as you can see. Has these connections, nothing special. I'm going to be using a B450 Tomahawk Max. We'll be using 2 sticks of RAM. I'll be upgrading later to 4 sticks. We'll be using a Seagate 1TB hard drive. Gigabyte 480 gigabyte SD card, slot, whatever. Be using 32 gigabyte of RAM to start with. Be upgrading later to 64. Wasn't bothered about the colour. It's either black or white. Doesn't make much difference. RGB, not really bothered about either. Now, I picked this up cheap. It's a Wi-Fi card. I don't know much about it, but it looks like this stick taking a Intel chip and just stuck into the slot by the looks of it. Whatever, if it works, not really bothered. And this is probably for later. A Project 7 power unit. This can control up to 7 fans, I think, different sizes, and have the Game Max RGB fan, which again I'm not really bothered about RGB, but it looks fine for what I need. Oh, finally got some screws or something. And I've been using this graphic card. Basically it's going to be a video editing system, and basically this was on offer for about £130, 8 gigabyte. So basically, I won't be playing games on the system, so this is fine for powering 2 monitors and whatever I do in Adobe. Right, and the best part is a Ryzen 7 to 2700X. And the last part is a CIT Blaze, which is basically red RGB lights, or LEDs. Bit more information on the side here. Basically I'll be opening these up separately while I do the video of is putting it together. really badly probably, but that's it. The first video in this series of me putting this together and hopefully not breaking anything like I usually do. If you check back soon, I should have more videos